It's a very good evening, good afternoon, good night. Murere muta musibire muta abanyuna abanyorokati ababito bina twaramukize mwebale kwa program on the Flashlight Online Television. Thank you very much for loving us and for watching our programs wherever you are. We are on the live show Mchivuga Ehoima Oil City, the land of oil, the land of everything. So we are very grateful nti tulina abakuru abamani mu Bunyoro Kingdom. Njya kwaza amabara gabo bajya kuyanjura babaramukiyeho ne tugenda discussing nabo babamanyise. But the most important thing abakitwize santuli hoima abokuba nti Kingdom yetu ya Bunyoro kuyugumuba teri stable teterekereire tugulenga tukwatanize abahoima abakibale abakagadi abamasindi buli Bunyoro haloli hona. Please, it is the right time now to join hand in hand. We make our kingdom rise again. Otherwise, we may not manage singa tetukwatira bamu Bunyoro yafe egwao Omukama agwao. Kale kamba teke masu gamba babuzeko then tugenda mutandikirawo. Sebo katandike no mukuru atera makoti obagenda mukaruti kumanya.
Wote muno mukuru Rogers ahebwa. We barawoyi kwija kumanya kufara Bunyoro.
Ego.
Amabara gange eriya kugonza Uganda etajunda bakuyanga atoke. Umusajja ngorongwa azira amaizi amalejja. Nizaro akagadi kutoka cha Muhoro Town Council ndibuhereza Omukama. Hatukubaliza hati nimpereza office y'omutalindwa Bunyoro Kitara. Omutalindwa kimanyisa speaker w'urukurato rukuru wa Bunyoro Kitara.
All right. Kakati betugama mu Buganda omita sekamwa Bunyoro yo omusajja oyo oba yo mwogezi w'Obunyoro Kitara Kingdom. Yes. Aliko n'omukulu ono musajja ali hamba kubya amasmart naye kale katulamukiyeho nawe mukulu tusemera kuro.
Bunyoro Rogers tangirire mu kibuga kino kya Magita Hoima. Amabara ndi Bunyoro Sabit Sedraka Mpako Bamoti.
Ego.
Kandi Uganda wa abagurwa abanyakuzi mu Rwanda.
Okay.
Kandi Uganda obo nyumukikiriza mara y'Ubunyoro yona.
Okay. Amakuru gabyona Omutaka. Omuburwa. Mu Buganda bakita Omutaka wa abobusolya. Ono mukuru wa Kasolya atono mwogezi oba speaker.
Nanyo ndi mukuru wa Kasolya kabagurungwa.
Ebitinisa ko ina bingi.
Kandi hati tuli bantu bakuru tuyomuka.
Okay. So, all right, people in the diaspora, thank you very much for joining us and for watching our programs, wherever you're watching us from. I hope we're just hosting this program. We're trying to find out how can we make our Bunyoro Kingdom rise again amidst the challenges, amidst the people affecting us. Echibuzo ishoka twebuza. Lwaki Bunyoro yuguma mukasera kano, and yet it is known as the strongest kingdom in Africa, Bunyoro dynasty. Nekati sawa zabanaga Ojogera no Uganda Omukama alwadde Omukama yani people tabitegera. So what could be the problem? How come our kingdom is no longer firm nowadays? Atulacho Omukama alwadde emyaka mukaga. Abobusolya we muli. Abataka we muli. Speaker w'olukiiko wali. Lwaki? What is the problem in Bunyoro?
Hati ningoza kubanza kusima okitiniso okwiri akukora okwirike manyisa mukuru Uganda rwababito. Okaruta ya Bunyoro Kitara. Omukama wabali mukikali takora wenka. Aino officials abakoma abali mukikali. Kandi kano kitiniso okwiri okitinisa batebe no official sister Omukama. Okwiri official brother Omukama kandi ise Omukama mukaruta ya Bunyoro. Abukuba tosobora kuba Mukama uso acyayomira cyari munsi. Ogetegereze ekyo. Hari nabakuru abana mukikali abakwireza ko mukuru mugema na abana kwireza mukikali. Abakuze cyo niki kusoboka kururangu baroliro bwomezi bw'Omukama waitu. Ekiresire kutalibana muhereza bw'Omukama kiri Omukama kuba unsasi.
Okay.
Omukama bwe yamazaale mu nsaasi kiresireho leadership batyo abandi bagikozesa kugira ngo batalibanizaaki bakora tunga ebyabo byonka mu Mukama. So ensaasi y'Omukama kintu kikuru kyatunga obujanja obusemeriire habwokuba n'abantu abajemu abali mu ofiisi kandi abakomere kumuhereza bahemuka mu maiso ge bakora ebyabo byonka. Ekyo kiresere kutalibana mu Mukama. Tulina obujunaanizibwa itwe abaroho kurora ngu twagaraho ekitiinisa ky'Omukama, the glory of Bunyoro Kitara kuke kabiira n'okukiraho. Tulina obujunaanizibwa obukora twakora ekintu ekyo ngo tusobora tukwataniza hamu enganda zoona eza Bunyoro eziheere kulwanirira n'okucungura ensi yaitu ya Bunyoro Kitara. Bunyoro tukitwara kuba nk'ihanga kuko alina enganda zoona zine tribe zoona mu Bunyoro zirumu obundi tugiyete United Nations atali hano noa kandi tutangira buli omu igini culture yaitu ya Bunyoro buli ali hano aba Bunyoro kandi aba nahereza Omukama waba kusikira kusima kwa asoboye.
Okay. Oyo speaker wa Bunyoro Kingdom. I think at the same time mukuru wa Kasolya akechika abagorongwa
abazira amarejja
ate abanyembuzire nyabuti abagorongwa tisibite
oja kuyetegereza oboizira hati kuzira kumanya oja kuyetegereza
kali
oruganda w'abagorongwa uruganda rukuru muno mu Kikaali. Omukama banaturuka mu Kikaali abagorongwa no batere nduru yeragira ebigamba ngetuta
ingoma
instruments abagorongwa timu yabo niye tere nduru neragira ebigamba kutandaka kugamba Omukama naturuka mu Kikaali.
For the interest of the world, can you translate it in English? Because people must understand abagorongwa ebigamba. Can you translate in English for the public to understand it more? I mean, it's not what the speaker. You speak also in what? In English. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm requested to clarify on the work of Abagorongwa clan in the culture of Bunyoro Kitara. Every clan in Bunyoro has a ritual which it plays in the palace. The ritual of my clan, Abagorongwa, is a theme which normally announces and authorizes the regalia abibikwato to start sounding when the king is getting out to the palace for any function. That's the role we play. It's an important role. It has been there over the years. Actually, it came into being at the time of the Wachwezi. They're working close together, hand in hand with the Wachwezi dynasty those days. And when they left the power, they were able to took on the team and maintain that responsibility.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. And kakati obana ngenge ndemba gorongwa
you are most welcome. Ukanele kurutu.
Era awusimanyo abati cyarumbe bino obitegedde rero tuli mu Runyoro asimwe neba kayimwe na mikwano jagibona ba SP somojo bamo bitegera nange semanyi. Kale tugende ku mukuru w'ekika wa Kasolya ababurwa ababurwa bebakola ki? What do they do? Ababurwa bebachi mu bwakabaka bwe Bunyoro? Abakumirizi
nibabalinda Omukama,
protectors of the king in the palace. They stand beside
mwe mukumu bwakabaka kugamba mwe bambowa.
Yes. That's the right word in Uganda.
Yes. Beba na bambowa kati
ababurwa mu Bunyoro
kakati sebo wabambowa mwatuka dini babajjaka abambowa ne babatekaka abakuma ne mundu mwali muweddeyo mwali mulwadde nammwe oba were you sick? Otherwise sebo akazindalukako
Bunyoro Rangers kusemerera muno
ego
mbundo ogundi kutangira kandi nikusiima kwayo kurorando kurumirwa Bunyoro nokujja kwetegereza biki ebikugenda hansi kuno hanyuma yokusanga nti tibiri basere kurungi.
Absolutely.
Bunyoro kamugenzi wange kugwagambire enyuma haho litahaliri hanga kandi kanano ligarukirire baitu kugarukira kwaliyo nkwetaaga tuyitwe abakulu b'enganda kurora nti tuteireho obuliyo obuligara byaka kandi na bino byona byokurora ebikugenda omaiso ebitaterekereire bireterezibwe kurora nti abakulu b'enganda tukere tutahamire omulimo yaitu n'obujinanizo bwaitu kibe nti twikere ntulengaho baitu tulemesebwa hano na hali nikyo kurora bino byona bikugenda bitaterekereire mu bukama bwaitu bwa Bunyoro baitu ntusaba nti abakulu b'enganda bakuba barugiriye tukakwataniza Bunyoro tugenda kugara byaka kandi waitu kino tujja kiteeka mu nkola mwaka guhoyire tukatandika enkula tumwezi gwa kali gwa basatu kulata hagati y'ababiito na Royal Commission n'endaita b'enganda bingi bitwikaire ntwikaho omwaka ogwona gye kuki mu Desemba onore that tutwaikire mu Desemba aho abamu twetegerezanga hagati y'ababiito n'ababiito batwarangana mu kooti musange genge twamizamu bino guno mwaka nabwo twatandika kurora nti tutegereho obumu abantu abo bona baitu kandi tukwetaaga kandi bali Bunyoro kandi batwinayo emigaso busawo tunobere baitu tukozere tuta kurora nti Omukama baitu kugenzera mu maiso tuziringitanire mwaka guno enkola tunabuza atandika twahikaali tuhikire nabo kandi bagaruka bateeke musange endi omukooti n'ororangu itu nk'ab'enganda tukulengaho kutaho obuliyo kurorangu Omukama baitu bwayemeera aho kyonka egrupu ibiri ezikulwanangana niziremesangana ate niziretereza ndaitu ebintu muyaitu tutagenda nka mu maiso ekyo waitu nikyo tulinakyo enyuma haho tukaikalizaho tukaba tuteekaniza olukulatula abakulu b'enganda baitu nabo abakulu barutahamu barulemesa twamalira tutaikaliire lwayongezebwayo ebiro byayongezibweyo nabwo habaho ensaasi y'Omukama kuba ali kubi muno twakyomo olukulatula kalukulongereyo mu maiso so tuliyo kunuita abakulu b'enganda titwikaliire tukutaho obuliyo kurora nti tukozere kyona ekikusoboka nti ebikutalibaniza omu Bukama kurora nti byabwawo Omukama ali mukonyezi waitu ntunihira nti bijja kutereekera otyo
amina batuwadde introduction nesima abatabitegedde bannange mugenda ku ludo okola translation mugenda kunkubira essimu ayogedde bukiwano nga kabaddizeemu abatabitegedde munasonyiwa leero Nega, but amidst I'm also very proud. I'm a Bunyoro person. Nkigondeza nkwata ndi musajja Bunyoro baitu mulanga nyina nti mulingo ntakulireyo over now in 30 years. Timbikenga kurungi baitu ndengaho nkomuntu kubazabazaho. You're making it. So I'll be there. Obazi jempa seko munyolero mfuke.
That's not debatable.
I should. Me as a prince I should come back and marry.
Why not? This is the time.
Abe Kampala kati munansonyiwa. Mbalesewo.
This is the time.
This is the time. Kale.
Abana baro.
Okay. Ati Mr. Speaker sir.
Yes sir.
Oba
omutalindwa. Mutalindwa
wakachu.
Yes.
Okay.
It's interim.
Now my first question is for the last 6 years Omukama abeerali mulwaire. Kiki okutekereza iwe nkayo nkomu what went wrong Omukama aikena system okuba on bed rest eyakabi mkurana munatyo kiki obuzi okutekereza bukaruganka nkaiwe nkomuntu
tekereza okwange Omukama kuyikara mu nsasi karuga
ensasi means oburwayi
ensasi kwisa okurwara Bunyoro niyo ensasi kaleterezebwa kuba n'abakuru mu administration abatatu emujunanizibwa kwaho omezibwe kwabaine that responsibility. They have not done it as expected. Kyonka ninsima Ruhanga this time around hanyuma wekitiniso okwiri naragirwa Omukama kusemeza no kutwara maiso mirimo y'Omukama mwaka guno akakoma cabinet empyaka neyebemberwa wekitinisa Dr. Chamanya Kasirivu Atuoki wekitinisa okwiri na kwataniza na Atuoki bataho oburyo kuranga Omukama atwirwa Kampala kujanjabwa Bunyoro ekasemererwa Bunyoro yatunga okunihira yatunga hope Omukama witajja kumakuru so ebyenyoma bibayireho kandi ababaire mu system saa zino prime minister na tiimu ye ekisanja kikakwaho okuva ku 300 omwezi gwa mukaaga baitu akyaleme kuba mu ofiisi habw'ensonga weza kumanya omuntu ngundi kukora ebyo wenka na habw'ekitafiireyo kurora ngu yataha obulyo omukama bujanjabi baitu hati tulikusemererwa ngu omukama naatunga obujanjabi tuineho obunajja kuba kurungi emirimo ye egende maiso omukama bw'aba ali mu nsaasi rundi atabaire tabara means being away some assignment akakoma okitiniso okwiri to take responsibility okwiri walinda entebe y'omukama omukama atahambwa He is a protector of the king's throne. Whenever a king is not within,
Okwiri takes
he
over.
makes sure he does not take over. He makes sure the seat of the king is protected until his return.
Okay.
He's not the king, no, but he's next to the king in our culture.
Is he the chief prince?
He's the chief prince. Chief
Okay.
prince means the official brother of the king and also the official father of the king. It's only Okwiri who can advise the king openly without being reprimanded. That's the culture of Bunyoro. So he has taken steps and he constituted the cabinet. It has been sworn in to start doing its work. What's remaining is to assume the office premises, where the current Prime Minister Katikiro has adamantly refused to leave for his own reasons.
Okay. It's why my very interesting question
Yes.
goes in there.
Yes.
Now, who is the adamant person who refused to leave the office? Aroza Amanya Gajawa. Is he empowered by the state? Is he empowering himself to refuse leaving the office? Amani akwehankaha. Rwachitava mu office. Ate buli kimu pula oyo byakutaga fuse byakutaga yaganda kutagisa abantu.
Mukolowoozo kwange mukutekereza okwange ningira kujemu discipline.
But indeed, he should be disciplined by you people. Since you have also in offices, why don't you discipline him by chasing him out of the office?
It's a matter of time.
Matter of time.
Buli kintu kino obwire bwakyo. When the time comes, however much you resist, they say even the longest snake has got a time.
That's very true.
The Bible is clear. Everything has its own time.
Exodus chapter 3.
We have a local saying in our language, Bunyoro Rutoro. Obogenda kutaha amaizi haiziba, kutaha amaizi. Okasanga ekikere, n'okifundura kita amaizi kiti. Still you take the water. So it's a matter of time.
Tennis.
Abalimire mu kisa abajemu obwire bwabuka kuwayo 30 mwezi gwa mukaaga bayine kugenda oba nibenda oba tibakwenda ahubwo ekisanja kikahwaho. Nobody is hating them, but that was the contract. It's done.
Okay. Ate mukuru golowooza okutekereza kiki ekikulemesa abantu bano mu office abakulemesa Bunyoro kugenda maiso. Wentekereza bigambe eti.
Abantu abalemire mu office nitekereza mutekereza yange ngasobora kuba bayina obulyo obukusobola bairo bayitira ine okuba omuntu kuba n'amaani kugamba tinkuruga mu office tinkanyowo Uganda akukure byenganda so tamanya amaani agayihanka rundi bulo mubungire ngati uko butubungire akakusobola onye tinkusakumanya kiro mundai.
Okay. Bantu kamali bagezi muntu. You are not being caught off guard. You're answering on the nail. All right, that's very nice. Ate kandi kya kabiri. Rumors, I'm not very sure, but I understand. Kabaka's suffering is a combination of major 3 people. One is Mr. Byakutaga, who is the Katikiro Gobajam office na ganiramu. Former Katikiro.
Now,
Again, it is alleged that even the son himself, the son of the Omukama, he has not come up properly to protect the father, despite his interest to say how can the father disappear to take the wealth. Two, the commissioner is called, who I'm forgetting even his name. Gentleman, I'm forgetting his name. Naye abinamo mkono. Mukutekeza, are these people pro-government or for government?
Waito wechinisa mubiragiro tuyikiriza kuhanura halo omuntu atali.
Okay.
So bano bazaalo Bunyoro Abataka, bazaalo mutabani Omukama, bazaalo waro commission obusobozi okubabazaho kitukwine. Ekyo tugambirege okuitirana omu na yebazaho. Ite bikutukwataho tukusoboye. Tukwenda kusaba nabo bayitirane obakaguze bakugabye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bantu bajja kusoboka.
Baita Abanyoro bagamba n'abajungu. Usaho muyika ataroho muro. Now former prime minister paka ine kyampo isigaye na hasikira. There must be some invisible hands which will come out as a matter of time. Tuzimanyire chonka zero. Ina hasikira koraki nagamba kandi barakoraki. Baitu ikisanja kikahuwaho.
Okay.
Ikisanja taha.
Ati nkaitu Abanyoro mukutwa mageziki. Inkenyo Abataka. What advice are you giving us to the Bunyoro people to rise again?
Abanyoro twine
Abanyoro batekane. Obusangirege kusoboroyire olw'okuba tutekaniza rwafa hamwe sasi Omukama. Tukunihira hati Omukama omulingo bamuragire. Batugambira mu kikalige kya Uganda. Omumezi n'obwakubulingo. Ajja kuraba hakasumbi kake batumanyise abe nakoraki nagakunga dena bora kagaruka tukole ntekaniza abakuru b'Enganda kuikara turole ekikoro kama bwaitu.
Okay. Kandi I'm still thinking ndowoza oba I'm thinking loud nti Abataka babunyoro abaki mutokora mu mulimo mukabungiro Omukama halali. Give an example nti Ababuganda when His Majesty Ronald Mwenda Mutebi the second wakabela do mwirwalo Namibia ninka wherever he was abducted from Abataka bakalenga koraki kwekora muli bagenda kumutoza and understand nayo Abataka bahoima kuno Bunyoro. You have not seen the kingdom for a given period of time. Why don't you use this time namwe ne mugenda ne mwekola mu mulimo nganze bwezize ne mupita nemba kulembera ne tumusanga mu dwaliro wali.
Shekerezo kirungi munene kiwaitwe kinisa Rogers kino kingire kandi kyekikola mutulapina likikizo kijja kumanyisa.
Okay.
Batukane nekindi Omukama Berali we are fully represented. Okiniso okwira kunyanizibwa aliyo alinawo. No ino kumanyisa Abanyoro kigenda maiso from time to time. Tikine ensonga naito kondera baitu haruho omuntu libara lya Bunyoro yona aro ikiniso kwira.
Okay.
Yes, nakora mulimo kana akora.
So meaning that Okwiri is there representing you.
The whole of Bunyoro.
The whole of Bunyoro.
Yes.
But I want to be very in the know if all the Batakas can organize themselves, because it seems there is a stumbling block between the Bataka and the kingdom. There is a aruhala gata hakuzabuza muleke kumwikiaho right information. How often do you meet the Omukama, the Abataka?
Omukama wira mazirare musasi. Tungira mugisa go kumurora.
We've not gotten that chance.
We were blocked with the administration. In the power has the resources. The blocking or operating. It has been a major problem. It has been a major problem.
Now what should we do? Because an individual, that gentleman, the former Katikilo, but let me tell you, the history I've read, all the Katikilos of Bunyoro,
yes,
meaning that all the prime ministers, the Katikilos in Bunyoro, no one has moved out successfully when the term has ended. Badu baba furumia na chiboko, na migo, na masasi wa migo, kwata kudu kabudusi. Kaka nono chali akugamba agoberere none ire tukire tumugobe na misinde.
Ati Abanyoro bagamba ekihungu kigendera haiguru and you go chokuba wenda kikwata otega hansi
kaze mu luzungu kuba mu Luganda
and eagle flies from
up
high in the sky. But when you want to trap it, trap down the ground and it comes and trap it.
Absolutely.
So amakuru kiki twine kolesa wisdom amagezi kumara ensonga hati saa zino Omukama bakamutwara ku mujanja ninkigumya amaani yago n'obusobozi initiative egi ikawipitiniso okuyiga bali baro wari yasakisinigire mwekyo n'ebindi bijja kuba.
Okay.
Yes. Took them by surprise. They didn't know. Yes. Maybe we don't.
So should we have hopes that one time we expect to see the glory of His Majesty? Agaruke munanyirwa.
Immediate future. We have full hope. Omukama nwalinda, Omukama nwajanja.
All right. That's very, 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 very nice. Now, the Bunyoro, which advice? Because I understand in the Bunyoro in diaspora are bitter. The Bunyoro in Uganda are bitter. The Bunyoro on the ground here are also bitter. Which hope do you give them to keep calm? Because His Majesty is not well and people have not seen. Tazokere hampango the last 5 times. Tazokere his coronation. So what do you think should be done apparently? How do you give hope to the public?
Await Rogers. Tugonza kumanyisa Abanyoro bagume kujirukira basajja musansa ajja kugamu kandi nambali bamutwalire Buganda abwa obwero kutekiteko bwa mwiziro obwangu baitu kwa rutine saitwena aberali entekaniza zibe zitandikira gukorwa kurora nti yagenda kujanja biruma rwara agaheru againa hamane kusinga gakuno aho n'otukugamira nti tukugumya nti Omukama wetu ajja kusumurulwa kandi ajja kufunga obujanjabi obuhikire okikusoboka.
So people have hopes.
Yes.
And we believe in that.
Akabayire hansi ari mu musasi hati najanjabo. Igi niyo ntandukwa. Banza no kumujanjaba okatunga ubumezi Burundi. Kusimbira ruhanga. N'ibindi bijya gukora.
Mayise no kujanjaba kusinga ajya kubutura.
All right.
Ikwaike akingira.
But Lwaki court decided this. Why is it so that the court took action, not the Abataka and the palace at large? Bagama court nyegambire agenda ijanja bibu. Akabalimbo Hambi, was he abducted? What was it all about? Like as Abataka of Bunyoro.
Mukuru Rogers ngo kusobora yirindi Abataka bakaba blocked agenda mukali. Habaho omu abatunga bakabumba abana bakabumba. That's initiative. So court acted kusikira application yeyo kandi cyaba in favor yokusemeza Omukama ne Omukama ni twasemera.
Okay.
Which is very good. That was the score. That was very good. Kigaruka Lwaki kulemesa abantu b'Omukama kumuzika nokumanya kumuvwa. Kize mu administration yabayo.
Okay. The last question, my last concern. Ati mukutekereza ongo. We've seen the history shows in Uganda Kingdom, Katikiro, they've been in the line of killing the Kabakas. The last 3 Katikiros I've seen, like the Cohen, like the Edward, all. Even understand the father of Ronald Mwendamtebi. Katikiro was in charge to kill. And it is alleged even right now that this current Katikiro, when the Kabaka was sick, he was telling the public, he's okay, he's going to be fine, he's fine. But eventually it is only individuals who caused the alarm. Banange Kabaka afa Kabaka alibubi, not until he was taken where? To hospital. The same applies to Bunyoro Kingdom. The former Katikiro is in the line of not of causing Kabakas in health. The question is, do you think these people have interest in Kabaka's suffering?
I wish you get that answer from them directly. Baito Muganda agamba tewali mbeera ya lubeerera.
That is very true.
Getting him out of the palace to go for treatment is a landmark.
Very true. And the total,
is a big
I credit you.
And we are happy with that. Nebikiraho mbijja kwongeraho. Ebirungi bigwita. That's our hope. Let's hope on hope.
Okay.
As we take action. So the act of being treatment has been positive. We thank God for that.
All right. That's very, very true.
Tukusiimire Bunyoro Rogers.
Ego.
For the interest of time. Bali obwire bwa waija batuyitirana n'ebyo bituyingisanirizemu nabyo muli mutuyingisanirizemu ebiteekerezo because ebyo bitungire ogenda oyitirana abagenzi baito abandi nabo baite ebiraba bisobokere then oteeranize kurole naiwe nk'omunyamakuru tukonye yote. So what do you mean?
Okay. For me, my advice is nkusaba abanyoro bonna hali bali hona. I think it's the time to join hand in hand. Abokuba are all right home akagamba nti it's called Henry Ford. But coming together, we are beginning and staying together, we supervise one another and working together we shall succeed. So nkwetaga abanyoro bonna ali buli haloli honoli. Make it annoys people are not proud of their being Bunyoro. Msangola di kampani igati azedi Muganda cannot know little you know musasida. So people be proud where you come from. Be proud of who you are. Because if you don't fight for your culture, if you don't fight for your destiny, you're going to lose the identity. So my advice, wherever you are, please be proud of being a Bunyoro. Yes, amid this oil being oil of city and what? But enough is enough. But I'm still thinking that if the government can't also come properly, because for us we may think the government has an hand in Bunyoro suffering, because you can't let things happen the way they're happening. If the government is also concerned about Bunyoro Kingdom, they should come and act amicably, because that gentleman called the former Katikiro, the Byakutaga man, he cannot make the Bunyoro dynasty suffer. He's not the mighty. The mighty is His Majesty, who must decide and take action. So, thank you very much, all comrades. Abataka ba Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. Mwebale mwenye information gituhereze.
Kanyongere hira kalyanga kusima Rogers abori. Mwebale kuija kubaza naito no kusera kandi ekyokora sazin is part of the struggle. It's a very good initiative. Kongera kumanyisa Abanyoro ebigenda maiso. Kuningira ngo benga batamanyire what is going on. They are denied information or they are misinformed. So your coming here has been very useful. We shall build on it to ubwire bona. Kongera habwino bigenda maiso kandi tuwehayireyo. Ubere no gamba Abanyoro murgeyo. Yes, tugireyo. You are preaching to the converted. That's why we are here. And we are moving on to achieve objective.
Okay. Thank you very much. I will deliver the information properly to the relevant officers and the world should be aware. I've understood that Bunyoro, there is the land grabbing. And the land grabbing, there's a connivance of the same people again in the offices. How far have you gone with that? Just for an insight.
As my colleague said, I would request you.
I visit those people.
To go and see these people. Get it from their own mouth.
Doctor's mouth, yeah.
They may not tell you the truth, but to get what they will say.
Okay.
Yes. There must be a reason why somebody should stick in an office. Bakwayo okuhereza. Kuhereza Omukama kwa voluntary. Oje kuhereza wange. Na wewe wile buhere yota. Why do you refuse? There must be a reason. So you can't rule out issues to do with land grabbing and others. You can't rule it out. It's more likely than not.
Okay. I will take it in good faith. So I wish you a very lovely stay. Mwekale kurungi mu urugamba rwa Hoima obo ekibuga. Orubuga nyakikoto rwa Hoima. Banagwa nembali nabo bebataka be Bunyoro Kingdom era tuwayizamuko embera y'Omukama nga bweri. Ne hopes nimatuwa hopes nti kigenda kuterera Omukama ng'emabezi waffe, and we hope that the kingdom will come back into his power and will take action at the end of the day. So I wish you a lovely stay. See you next time as I'm visiting some other people. Just God bless you. See you next time. Gentlemen. Agenda mbanzo gamba saliwo. Bana ginaga naliwo naye nali bakaga kamera. All right, thank you very much.
We bari kujabuli.
We
bari munabulu.
Wanga abandi.
Okay, nayo. Okay. We bari ohereza. Okay.